In a previous video, we showed you how to assemble the Hobby M5 heat press. Today, we will be showing you how it works. So, let us start off with the mug press. If you guys can have a look at the top of the heat press, it does show you exactly what temperatures and how many seconds to use with each product. Alright, for the mug, you just simply slide it in the correct place. Then you just need to adjust it to make sure you have the correct pressure for your mug. And once you are ready, you can just feel that it is not too tight. Then you can go on setting your temperatures and your timing to get the correct mug. You just switch it on. For the temperature, you turn the dial halfway to the right till you get to 100 degrees. And then for the timing, you just turn it to halfway to the left until you get to your 60 degrees. Okay, once it is ready, you will hear the machine beeps and then you can just pull out your mug. If you guys don't know how to change between the different attachments, just go ahead and take a look at the previous video. We did cover all of that. So let's go on with our cap press and I'll show you how to use that one. First of all, I'm going to move this one out of the way. In this case, I'm going to use the top part of the hat and I'm going to stick on my little bird there. For the cap, I'm going to set it to 200 degrees. So that's fine. And then for the seconds, I'm going to put it at 40 seconds. So when you hear the beeping, you know it is ready to take out. You just lift it and take it out. You give it a bit of a shake because it's a cold peel, and then you are ready. So we will go on with our T-shirt press and we will show you on a piece of fabric how to press with your T-shirt press. Just swing it away. Put your print that you want to be heat pressed on it. With your Teflon sheet over your shirt and your designing so you don't burn it. Just slide it back into place. And then for the T-shirt, you're going to go with 185 degrees and it's going to use 25 seconds. Okay, it's done. So now you can just lift your handle, swing it away and see your pressing work. And there you go. You're all pressed. Next is your plate press. You will need your base of your flat press with your flat press attachment. All that you will need to do is take your plate press, put it inside of your board, turn your board around, and you can just basically put it inside of your T-shirt press. For the plates, you're going to use 200 degrees. That's perfect, and it's going to use 900 seconds. And do you have the perfect temperatures for the plates as well? And as soon as it is done pressing, you just lift it up. So I'll just put an example in it. This is basically how it will look like. And there you go, guys. Now you guys know how the Hobby M5 heat press works. It is quite easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and then I'll catch you guys in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.